So the topic I chose for project number 2 was to visualize the most popular shoes among NBA players from the 24-25 seasons. That's last season. I found this really interesting just because you would think basketball players are going to be wearing the best basketball shoes, and so I wanted to also compare. Let me pull it up here. I wanted to compare the ratings from a basketball shoe website, Hoops Geek, where you can view ratings on like every basketball shoe ever, basically, to the amount that the shoe has been worn by NBA players, and see if it equals out to each other. And are NBA players wearing the highest rated basketball shoes, from a fan's perspective at least? And so, because that's what you would think, right? But that's what I wanted to check out. And I also, for every single shoe, I introduced them in their order, but I'm not going to reveal the initial minutes worn before I show you the final graph. And then I also have the individual rating for every shoe. So obviously you see this is the highest rated shoe. And to calculate the shoe rating, every shoe has, they have this one number here, but if you click on, let me just look. If you click here, you'll see they have an expert rating and a user rating. So this one doesn't have any user ratings, but I averaged out these two numbers when it came to getting the overall score that I'm giving you here. So that is what went into that number. And then just a part of my key was that the amount of shoes for my final graphic equals 2,000 minutes played. So for every shoe, that's 2,000 minutes of NBA basketball. So that's how we ended up with this graphic. And then I can click present just to show you my little gag that I have lined up for it at the end. So this is the final graph from 23,000 minutes all the way up to the Kobe 6 Pro, which had 63,000 minutes. And the final little reveal is that there would actually be this many pairs of Kobe 6 Protros if you were to look at it. And this is sort of a smaller scale version of it. And so yeah, you see that the highest rated shoe is the most worn by a very wide margin, basically double the second place shoe. And so I have that here on the takeaways. Yeah, that's everything that went into my presentation, just so I guess we as users know, NBA players do kind of know what they're doing, I suppose. And also, Kobe 6 Protros are not cheap by any means. The cheapest pair you're going to be able to find is maybe $250. So yeah, that's everything that went into my project number 2.